From city to city, yeah, town, get city. The top I got the money, faretsana kojane. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine. From Tabaya to Lilo to Nokaya Kavango. Let's have a channel, la ripila kabujana la. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine.
Bula mankodisa, marobela ridisa, Christmas repeatisisa, razi ridi chikisa, dipeke hololo tsa metsameko le tsa poko. Panele ce soir, delele ka mosoko. If you from Gap City, y'all know we mad witty. See the skyline from Color View, it's all pretty. But when I roll with me, Palape girls miss me. I'm in my womb roasting guru with a dab of whiskey. And on a good hope, Cyril where hope floats. Controversial, but it's still where Bessie wrote. Place where Kama spoke. 3 chiefs on the
Contestants, please remember that there's 3 judges, but you only need to serve 1 plate. Okay, 1 plate. There will be 3 judges, but you only need to serve and present 1 plate.
City to city, yeah, town, get city. The top I got the money, faretsana kojane. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine. From Tabaya to Lilo to Nokaya Kavango. Let's have a channel, la ripila kabujana la. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine. Gazana kalahari bantu dobina po.
Those are the spices we use to make them.
Katsana ko kasani yana walk with the elephants. Matitinya ne antele tsa molori go tsama ke go bona hara o se bone sepe go fitela o bona yale tema na Botswana kana ke bua ka bota ja basadi ba Botswana mpule kwala go be ana Miss Universe. My proud be da you woman. I'm antle monto a world champion. My proud be da you woman. Nigel almost Olympic medalist. My proud be da you woman. Zebras eat bigger on the AFCON. My proud be da you woman. From city to city, yeah, town, Gap City. The top I got the money, faretsana kojane. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine. From Tabaya to Lilo to Nokaya Kavango. Let's have a channel, la ripila kabujana.
And then the last team is going to be Amazing Grace. Please make sure you are going to be ready in the next 2 teams.
The money faretsana kojane. Bula, aine. Bula Botswana wetu, aine. From Tabaya to Lilo to Nokaya Kavango. Let's have a channel, la ripila kabujana la. Bula.
Marinating obviously, and this is also Robertson red.
And it's sriracha sauce as the red dots, so that's where the flavor is going to come from behind, and that's exactly what we're going for.
Cooking for Love 1-year anniversary. The idea is to keep them together. So we're giving all the love, all the good vibes, because you know, this is who we are.
It beats me why you still have me in your life. Something to write home about. Strife. Get me this wife, get me this girl, make her my wife. My uncles think I'm joking. See, I'm a kid with 2 children, 2 kids, siblings. Our love needs a witness. You need to live it. Been messing up, man. Been messing up. Messing around with such a perfect woman. What am I doing? You're probably gonna hate this. I promised we'd never have our life up on the papers. No fame, you hate it. No private life in the music. Remove it. I had to change the verse. Only look I'm a demon to prove it. This is all I know. All I know is music. The only way to speak. My last apology is teardrop. The only way to see it.
I know you're tired, I know you're tired, but baby I'ma make it right. I'ma make it right. I know you're tired, I know you're tired.
Incredible.
And I really wanna waste no time, yeah. Girl, I really think you're so damn fine, yeah. Girl, I really wanna take what's mine, yeah.
Not just me and my chefs and my videographer, but to go and, you know, touch other people to show them that there's so much talent that's going on. So the book is based on something along those lines as well. We're going to have an intimate dinner with like an artist. They'll tell us a story about the food. They'll tell us a story about themselves. I'll cook. I'm doing a collaboration with Botswana, who wrote Legends of Asia. She's a good author. So in Akwala, the artist is there. We make the food, we take the picture, and we turn it into a recipe cookbook. You understand? Something that will show the artist, and then also show the food, and show my skill at making the food, and show Boto's skill at writing. You know what I mean? So it's a collaboration of artists in one thing, and that's what I always want when it comes to my brand. It's more than just the food. The online.
Everybody wanna get you away from me. Baby, everybody's getting jealous when I hear for you. Baby, my leg go to here. Talk to me now, these niggas wanna get you away from me. You're not mama.